Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make this crystal. So what I want to do is first choose a sprite one and you're going to go click on the magnifying glass and you'll now have to click the fantasy one and see there's a crystal one. So I'm going to click the crystal one and the crystal one is here. That's good. Now here we went for the crystal, so why not for this crystal one? I'm gonna move this crystal out of this platform. I will drag this crystal one where there's no platforms nearby, so that's going to be our goal. Second thing is we're gonna go to the code, and first we need to go to events and grab when green flag is clicked. Next we need to go to the looks and grab the show block. And next we need to go to the motion and go to X and Y one. And in place of go to X and Y one, we need to go to operators, grab the pick random one, and put in the first X bit. And for this one, negative 180 in the first one. And second one, I'll write down the same number, but in a different sign. It's going to be 180. And for the Y one, I will just grab the pick random one from the operator sign and put it in the Y bit one. So right now, first one will be negative 100 to our number will be the same from the first bit, which will be 100. And next, we need to go to the control, grab the forever loop, and grab the if then block. And next, we need to go to the sensing and grab if touching platform. Then what's the next thing we're going to do? Next, we need to go to looks, grab the high block, and next we will duplicate this, go to X pick random and Y pick random. I'll duplicate this one and throw away these remaining blocks. And I'm just gonna put this go to X pick random and Y pick random in the after hide if touching card from them. Next, we need to go to the looks and grab the show block after go to X pick random and Y pick random. Alright, let's check the code for our diamond one if the diamond moves in a different random position. Does it move in its random position? Yes, it does. And next, we'll go back to the code. And first, we need to go to the control one and grab the if then block. I will put it inside the forever loop. And next, we need to go to sensing and grab if touching dot. And we'll drag this if touching dot. Then we need to go to the looks again and grab the hide block. I'll grab the hide block and I need to go to the control arm again and grab the wait block, wait 1 second block. Instead of wait 1 second, I'll write down wait 2 seconds. Put it inside if touching after the hide one. And next, we need to again duplicate this, go to X pick random and Y pick random. And now I'll throw away these remaining blocks. And then there will be no changes in the X pick random and Y pick random. And next, we need to go to looks and grab the show block. And let's check if our player touches the crystal. Will it work? Yes, our player can touch the crystal and the crystal spawns into its own moves into its own different position. That's good one. And I hope you like this video.